Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling 6 big ideas that explain how weather works and how it affects life on Earth. We're talking about the water cycle, water pollution, relative humidity, coastal winds, clouds, and even observing the weather. By the end of this video, you'll see how it's all connected. Let's dive in.
By the way, today's highs will have you sweating. But
first on our list is the water cycle, Earth's ultimate recycling system. Here's how it works. It starts with evaporation. Okay? That's where the sun heats up water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and whatever else. It gets turned into vapor. That vapor rises up and it goes into the sun from the sun. Then it cools down a little bit and goes into condensation, forming clouds. But when these clouds get too full, what do you guys think happens? Things like rain, snow, or sometimes even hail start to come down back onto the land. Finally, all the water gets back collected, called collection. Sometimes it stays underground, sometimes it just stays in a lake or a river. Then the process starts all over again. Fun fact, the same water has been cycling around for millions of years. Here's my next picture. Doesn't it look delicious? This is a problem though. This is water pollution. Trash, chemicals, waste, all dumped into this river. Or sometimes lakes and oceans. It doesn't just only harm our marine life. It also affects our water. Because polluted water, it will still evaporate, but then we have harmful chemicals in our evaporation. And sometimes that will linger and come through our waterfall. That's why protecting our water sources isn't just about helping animals, it's about protecting our own health. Even small changes like reducing plastic will help us. Next up, I have relative humidity, something I don't like when my hair's straight. Let's talk about it though. It measures how much water vapor is in the air compared to how much it can hold. Imagine the air is like a sponge. On a dry day, it's like a sponge that can still soak up more water. On a humid day, it's like a sponge that is already full, so sweat doesn't evaporate anymore. And it makes you feel sticky. That's why humidity can make a hot day feel 20 degrees hotter. Meteorologists use tools like hygrometers to measure humidity and help us predict our winter patterns. Next, we're going to explore coastal winds, a fascinating phenomenon near oceans. These winds are caused by differences in temperature between the land and the water. During the day, the land heats up faster than the ocean, creating a sea breeze as cooler air from the water flows in. At night, the process reverses, creating a land breeze. If you've ever felt a cool breeze on the beach on a hot day, that's because there's coastal winds in action. They are very critical for regulating temperatures and influencing local weather patterns. And finally, here's my last topic of the day. Clouds, fluffy wonders of the sky. Clouds form when water vapor cools and condenses into tiny droplets and ice crystals. They come in many different shapes and sizes, like cumulus clouds, stratus clouds. The cumulus clouds are the fluffy white ones that everyone loves to look at. But the stratus clouds create overcast skies. Fun fact, did you know some clouds weigh millions of pounds, but they're still floating because the waters are spread out over a huge area? Clouds play a crucial role in precipitation directly in our water cycle. Finally, how do we know all this? By observing weather. Scientists and meteorologists use tools like thermometers and measure temperatures, barometers for air pressure, and anemometers for wind speed. Satellites' radar help track storms and even predict hurricanes. It is so important to observe weather. It will help us plan better and protect more lives. So there you have it, how the water cycle actually works. Water pollution, relative humidity, and coastal winds, clouds, and weather observation, all in one. Each play an important role and piggyback off of each other. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!